In this video, I'm going to show you 3 scripts that are used to create an interactive menu in Viz Scene. So before we jump into the scripts and how the scene is built, let's show you how it works. I have this menu item in my scene. When I click on the menu item, the menu opens, and then I have different items within the menu. When I click on each item, the arrows jump to the item that I clicked on. And then if I click the menu item again, it will close the menu. So in this scene, like I said, we have 3 different scripts. The first script is on the menu container, which is over here, and that handles opening and closing the menu. So if we look at the script, we first set the director. So if we go to the stage, we have this open menu director, which animates the menu in and out. So I can go ahead and play that. You can see the menu opens. So in my script, I go to the open menu director, and then I have a boolean on or off, which tells me or indicates to me if the menu is open or closed. And then we have the on left mouse button event. So every time the left mouse button is pressed on this container, I check if the menu is open or closed. If the menu is closed, so I just start the animation on the open menu director. Otherwise, I play the animation in reverse. So if we go ahead and compile this, I'll open up the stage. And now I can show you every time I click the menu, you can see the director being played out. And because the menu is now open and I click again, the animation will be played in reverse. So that's the main script to toggle the menu open or closed. The next script that I want to show you is the item script. So I've duplicated the same script on each container of the item that I have in the scene. So let's go ahead and open this and show you the script. So all we have on each item container is the on left mouse button event again. And when the left mouse button is pressed on each item in the menu, I find the arrows container. So it's the first child container in the items group. And then I access the script and I trigger the animate sub and I pass it the position of the item menu that I clicked. So this is item number 1. I can show you item number 2 has exactly the same script. Okay, so now I can go to the arrows container and show you the script that handles the positioning of the arrows. So what we have here is we first select the selection director in the stage. So the selection director has 2 keyframes, the start keyframe and the finish keyframe, and an animation on the Y property. And then I select the start and finish keyframes of the director. And this is the animator sub that's called from each item menu script. And we receive the Y position of the item that was clicked. So the first thing we do is we set the start keyframe in the director to the finish value so that it receives the last position that was selected. And the finish keyframe will receive the new Y value that we get from the item that was clicked. And then we start the animation. So if I go ahead and compile this, I'll open up the stage and I'll show you the selection menu. Every time an item is clicked, the director is played out. So if we look at the finish keyframe here, we see the value is at the moment minus 28. If I click item 1, and I'll just refresh the GUI here, you can see that the finish Y value is now 36. And let's do that again. And now the Y value is 4. So every time one of the items is clicked in the menu, the Y parameters are updated and the animation is played out.